So you might be in this really weird situation where your screen keeps freezing on iOS 27. Now, the big thing to remember here is that right now this is still a beta and it still is going to be a new software for the next couple of months. So we'd recommend probably just understanding that there's going to be issues and problems that end up happening. Now, the big thing to remember here is that if you have the capability of going through and updating your iPhone, I would recommend going through and seeing if there is an update available. So as quickly as you can, make your way over to your settings application, scroll down to general settings, and scroll over to software update, and I'd recommend just checking to see if there is an update available. If there is, that's probably all you're going to have to do is just basically update your iPhone, and that probably will end up fixing the problem for some people. Now, that's not a guarantee. If that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing here too is to go through and do a force restart. So this is a force restart. This is probably going to end up clicking some things into place in the background if it's like a temporary issue. And how to do this is you press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and then hold the side button until you see an Apple logo. So up, down, and then I'm holding that side button here until my iPhone completely shuts off and I see an Apple logo. So I'm only holding the side button here. I'm not holding any of these other buttons. The screen's going to shut off like this. And then when I see that Apple logo, I'm going to let go of that side button. So I see the Apple logo, I let go of that side button. And now my iPhone will basically go ahead and just kind of restart. And hopefully this will end up fixing and addressing those particular issues that you're having there as well. So that's basically how you do it. Doesn't really take too much time, but that's exactly what we would recommend doing here. So in terms of that covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.